Okay, example 3. Under certain conditions, the pressure of a perfect gas varies inversely as the volume. So, the pressure varies inversely as the volume. So, P equals K over V. So, inversely this time, so notice it's K divided by V instead of K times V. K is always on top, it's just either times or divided by the second thing. Okay, when the pressure is 7 pascals, the volume is 75 liters. So that's very straightforward. They're not trying to trick you or anything with those. So they're giving you a straight pressure of 7 and a straight volume of 75. Okay, and with inverse variation, it's almost always, in fact, it always is K over some number equals some number. My recommendation is put the other number over 1 if it's not already a fraction. That way you get a little cross multiply situation. 1K equals 7 times 75. 7 times 75 equaling 525. As before, I've got my structure here, P equals K over V. We just figured out the value of the constant of variation, so for the rest of this problem, K is going to be 525. So this top equation transforms into P equals 525 over V. And the question asks, what would the volume be? So trying to find V, the pressure is increased to 15 pascals. Now be careful with these little prepositions. It says increased to 15 pascals. If it said increased by 15 pascals, that'd be 22, right? So be careful that how they word it. That says increased to 15, so we're going to end up with 15, and we're trying to find the value of V. Same as we find when we tried to find K. We have this fraction here, so I'm going to put this over 1 to cross multiply. This gets me 15V is equal to 525. Divide both sides by 15. And let's see, 15 we'll get 3, 5. And the unit is liters, so 35 liters would be the volume if we increase the pressure. Notice in inverse variation, the pressure went up, the volume went down is what happened, right? The pressure increased to 15, the volume decreased to 35. That's usually what happens in inverse variation. One goes up, the other goes down. In direct, one goes up, the other goes up, one goes down, the other goes down. So you should kind of get an expected idea of the answer with that. If the right type of thing occurs with what you've got for numbers, the chances are you did it correctly.